So alright guys, again another trading session. This time I got another signal, so we are at in January the 9th. So this one is going down 100% sure. So as you can see, this one is going down. I got a signal about another 6 candles. So here I got this signal today evening. I got this signal here, and now I'm having this one. So as you can see, this one, I guess this one, I'm 100% about this one. It's going down as usual. I'm using my strategy. The strategy is explained in the course in the description below. You can learn from the course everything I learned over the years, everything about the strategy that I use, everything about the indicators used here. So there's plenty of stuff in the course. There's more than 4 hours in the course. I will teach you everything I learned over the years. So yeah, first win. As you can see, these days I decided to wait a minute. Yeah, this one is going down. So these days, let's take a look. All right. Yeah. So these days, as you can see, I'm sharing my balance. As you can see here, I'm sharing my balance. Oh yeah, so I'm making $688. It's against iqoptions policies, but I don't care. I want to share that. I want to see if they still applying this rule where you can share your balance. As they say, it's against the rules, but yeah. All right. All right, this one is also going down. It's also going down using the same strategy. So same strategy using RSI, as you can see, using Bollinger Bands. And yeah. All right, another win. Let me just take here the market is having some trouble. All right, as you can see, we are almost at the middle of the night. Yeah, here the market is having some trouble, but that's okay. Hopefully we will not lose. Look what's happening here. The parabolic saw here, the parabolic saw, the market is crossing the parabolic saw, and look at the position of the middle band of the Bollinger Bands. Yeah, we're having this downtrend. Oh, but that's okay, that's okay. As I told you, it's middle of the night. I guess that, yeah, this was wrong. No. We'll keep waiting. This one. But that's okay. I'm having this. These 2 candles. Anyway. Same thing that happened here. I'm sure it will come back. Yeah, hopefully last second. Fortunately, we did not lose. This is not one of the best my best signals, but that's okay. I'm trading, as you can see, with $800. If I'm winning, I'm making $688. I guess I will reach 90,000. Yeah, 90K. So the strategy is explained in the description below. Guys, please remember that you need to put a lot of effort in order to make wins just like this one. This is not guaranteed. This is just simulation of what is possible to be done with trading binary option on iqoption with a good strategy. I'm not guaranteeing you anything. You need to spend a lot of time, time on demo accounts, trading. Yeah, trading with fake money, and hopefully once you master the strategy, once you are 100% about the results that you will get, you can start trading and opening trades. Yeah, this one is going down. Opening trades and yeah, making profit from your positions. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. Yeah, this one is 100%. This one was perfect. All right, it was perfect. Yeah, 688. I guess we still have 2 positions or 2 wins to turn this 98 99 89 sorry $89 into 90K, $90,000. Yeah, this one is going up. Guess this one is going up. Even if it's not going up, it will close at the same price as I opened here. So in the course, you will learn, or you will know what's going on with this strategy. You will understand the strategy. Yeah, amazing. Another beautiful win. I guess we still have 2 other positions. I guess this was wrong. I should open here. Sorry, wait a minute. I should open here. Here. This would make me 100% win. Now I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, perhaps we're gonna win. At least we will not lose. It will be even. Yeah. Last seconds, yeah. Now we are at $90,000. Let's open short position. Yeah, short position here. This one is going down. Oh, guess here. I don't know. We'll have this one. Let's just take a look. Let's just wait for it. What's happening? Please stay up. I made a mistake here with this. I did. Once you understand the strategy, yeah, I made a mistake. Once you understand the strategy, you will understand what mistake I did here. Yeah, those who know the strategy already know what I did wrong, but that's okay. Yeah. Um. Amazing. This is the last one. Yeah, guys, this is the last one. I guess this one is going up. If this is a win, it's gonna be the last trade. Yeah, we already made enough money. We made more than 3,000. I guess 3,000. How much? We started with 88, I guess, or 87. Yeah, I guess started with 87, and now we are at over $90,000. We will make. This would be $91,000. Yeah, $91,000. All right.